And martial law is the end goal of a lot of these protests.
This is bananas. Like, this is legitimately starting to scare me. I do not recognize this country of America that we are currently living in. Every time I turn, like, I don't even watch the news anymore on mainstream media. I get my news from independent media sources online. But the internet was on fire yesterday, and it reminded me of what it was like during the George Floyd riots. Like, it kind of had some semblance of the feelings, how I felt in the country at that time.
George Floyd was interesting. And I think the one thing a lot of Americans are forgetting, and those abroad, what has happened before is what they have learned from. They've been preparing for such incidences or even grander instances to happen again. The planning around the 2025 project and numerous other statements they've made are showing how they plan on subverting elections and subverting your rights and taking away your power, control, and self governance. The martial law has been something they've been talking about for quite a while. The Insurrection Act, for those who wanted to look it up. They've just been waiting for a chance to deploy the Insurrection Act because with that, they can, in theory, do things like suspend elections, remove American citizens, make them criminals for protesting, for doing this or that. There's a reason they've been saying people that have been protesting outside of Tesla dealerships and other places are terrorists. When you become a terrorist, they can deport you without due process in their mind and based on what they've been behaving with. So deporting of Americans under the Terrorist and Insurrection Act is the plan. And if they can do that, they can start getting rid of governors and they can start getting rid of mayors and judges and anybody they want. That's the plan.